So in North Carolina, spousal support is broken up into two parts. There's post-separation support and there's alimony. Post-separation support is essentially temporary alimony. It's something that can be heard prior to equitable distribution being accomplished. That's property distribution. Alimony takes place after equitable distribution is either heard by the court or settled at mediation. There really is not a formula that the court uses to calculate what a person's spousal support is going to be. The court has to look at what are the incomes of both parties, and during the marriage, was there a supporting spouse and was there a dependent spouse? And so the court will take their net income minus their expenses and come out at the end of the day and see whether or not that person has extra money or they have a need for money. The supporting spouse could have an obligation to support the dependent spouse, provided a number of different factors are met. Even if that party made significantly more, the court could find that the other party who made less is not a dependent spouse if all of their needs were met based upon their income. If the supporting spouse does not have enough surplus at the end of each month to meet the needs of the dependent spouse, the court could award less to the dependent spouse than that spouse needs because the supporting spouse does not have the ability to pay that much. In a situation where a marriage is less than 7 or 8 years, the court's going to award alimony to that dependent spouse, generally for the length of the marriage. When the marriage is over 8 years, the court starts looking at that as to be a situation where the dependent spouse might be entitled to permanent alimony. Alimony until one of the statutory terminating factors takes effect. And those factors are when the dependent spouse, the one who receives alimony, if that spouse then cohabitates with someone else or they get remarried to someone else, that would terminate